What's the meaning of blue jeans? Blue jeans. Blue jeans.
Blue jeans. Blue jeans. Blue jeans are a type of pants made from denim fabric that has been dyed blue. They were traditionally worn as work clothes by laborers in the late 19th century and became popular among teenagers and young adults during the 1950s. Today, blue jeans are a staple in many people's wardrobes and are worn for both casual and formal occasions. The indigo hue of the fabric is associated with durability, comfort, and simplicity, making them a symbol of American culture. Blue jeans have also been adopted as a fashion icon across the world and can be seen in various styles, cuts, colors, and washes.